over in this 2008 Honda Civic, I found some stuff. But they said their headlight's not working. They tried to take it out, they messed with something and kind of shorted out. And I'm not exactly sure what was going on down here, but it's kind of all taped up. And so we're gonna have to replace this pigtail because we can't have it looking like that. And this thing's got some green crusties in it. I already determined which one was hot and ground. It's not getting any hot. So before we could fix that, we gotta get this looking better. Because I see they did LEDs, which is good. Highly recommend them. This one you can't really see. Yeah, that one you can't really see because it's back there. So, I don't know. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna remove this battery, yank it out, and start going from there. $10mm. I was gonna get that very dirty negative off. And there's that. Okay. I'm trying to hold the stud. Alright, that was... I don't need to replace this or take this out, but I'm gonna clean it out for me. I'm gonna relocate this, looks like coolant over here, and that gives me a nice workspace. And oh my god. All right, a lot of yellow tape. So there we have it. So purple, I'm assuming is hot, and black is ground. That's what we're going to assume on this job. Just chopping off what I can. Ooh, I wish I had different strippers, but I'll just use these as best I can. It's like a wire holder right here. Gives us a little bit more playroom. Here's what we're working with here. Let's see what wire size these are for you guys. Let's try this. Okay, it is 16 gauge. In case you're wondering, it's 16 gauge. I'm gonna hack off a little bit more. That was a really crappy video, but can't really show you anything. Yeah, 16 gauge, there's that. And then this purple wire on this car is also now we wait. Okay, it was an extremely tight fit, but I was able to actually get the new wiring harness on. I'll show you the link up there. It's right there at AutoZone. On your screen should be the part number at AutoZone. If it changed, and oh well. Yeah. There, I just want to start it. That way it doesn't move on me. I don't want to melt any of the other wires. And yeah, heat gun. Probably be a little safe with that. That's what I use. Look at that. Nice and tight. Alright. Next. Alright. Got it nice and taped up. For the little extra security. There's no water or anything gets in there. So I guess I should have showed you this before. Now, if you're ever upgrading to LEDs, they will tell you, you know, positive and negative. I made sure I marked this thing with the gray mark where the positive was. So you just match it up right here, and that's a little tip you don't really see from anybody else, you know. So I'm gonna tuck that out of the way. Battery cover put back in. That down in there. Take these hooks, and they just hook, I guess. It's the best way to put it. Got the battery cleaned all up for them. Now that goes here like so. Line these two back up. There's a little battery terminal spray. See that? Now you gotta put these on first. And we'll spray that down. Does it actually work? I don't know. No clue. We gotta get this one all cleaned up too. See, it's all green and crusty, like everything else. Now we'll tighten down those 10 millimeters. Like I said, I don't know if this stuff actually works, but I'm going to do it anyways. Alright, so now we're going to come through the driver's side. And we're going to come underneath here. There is a second fuse box. And the fuse box that we're looking for is number 17. It's really nice because Honda labeled every single one of them with numbers. So, this 10 amp fuse right here, number 17, is actually one for the low beams. Now that we replaced that, there are our low beams. Now, if you are interested in more videos on this vehicle, I do have a couple on the channel, but I am going to be replacing the headlight housings because these are just really old and dingy. So we're going to be replacing those and a windshield washer, the pump for this, and the wiring harness and everything. The gasket, that's what I'm looking for. Yeah, the gasket and all that. So that's going to be the next video. Check that out. Hope this video helped. Like, subscribe, and see you guys next time.